How to connect the Onn wireless Bluetooth speaker to a iPhone with iOS 26. So I'm talking about this speaker here in particular, the mini one here. And before doing anything with your iPhone, make sure to get your speaker into pairing mode. So if you have this model in particular here on the right side, you will notice there is a on button, volume down and up. And what you're going to do is first make sure this is charge at least 50%, and while it is off, you are going to hold down on this button right here, the middle one, until you hear that it is in pairing mode. You'll also notice the white blinking light. So go ahead and hold it down like this.
Power on. Bluetooth pairing.
All right, and once you hear Bluetooth pairing, it means it's in pairing mode. You'll notice the white light here blinking now. And on your iPhone, you're gonna go ahead now into the Bluetooth settings. So you only need to do this one time once you have it connected, and go here, Bluetooth, and as you turn it on, it's going to start searching for nearby devices. You should see the name of your Onn speaker here, and when you tap on it, it'll pair.
Bluetooth connected.
And you'll hear that, and you should see that it's connected. And of course, once this is done the first time, even if you turn off your speaker and turn it back on again, for as long as your Bluetooth is on for your iPhone, it will reconnect. Like and sub.